Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. 48 grams of protein without any protein powder, sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, all-natural, all-healthy, super tasty protein smoothie made with black beans but tastes like a super delicious liquid blueberry muffin. Get your protein with this powerful smoothie. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, add a drained and rinsed jar or can of black beans into a blender. Along with a cup of frozen blueberries. A cup of a plant-based yogurt. A cup of a plant-based milk. And 5 Medjool dates. Next, blend it until it's super smooth. Now enjoy a super delicious and super healthy protein smoothie. Thanks for watching.